Thousands of people take their very first cruise every year and regret it because of simple, avoidable mistakes. From showing up late to packing disasters, these 10 rookie errors will turn your dream trip into a nightmare. Stick around so yours doesn't. Let's jump straight into the countdown of the 10 first cruise mistakes that can ruin your trip in 2026. We're counting down from number 10 to the biggest one at number 1. If you're new to cruising, pay close attention. These are the ones experienced cruisers see first-timers make over and over. Number 10, flying into the port city on the same day as embarkation. Starting at number 10, arriving at the airport the morning your ship sails. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, and traffic happens. If you miss the ship, you're out of luck and out of money. The fix? Fly in at least one day early, stay overnight in the port city, and give yourself a relaxing buffer. Number 9, overpacking your suitcase. Number 9, bringing way too much stuff. Cruise cabins have limited storage and you'll end up living out of your suitcase. Most people wear the same outfits multiple times and never need half of what they packed. Pack light, use the ship's laundry service if needed, and enjoy the extra space. Number 8, booking a cabin at the front or back of the ship. At number 8, choosing a stateroom at the bow or stern without realizing how much it moves. The front and back of the ship rock more in waves, which can make you seasick fast. Pick a cabin in the middle of the ship, mid-level, for the smoothest ride possible. Number 7, not downloading the cruise line app before you sail. Number 7, ignoring the cruise line's app. Without it, you'll waste time hunting for deck plans, menus, showtimes, and reservations. Download it, set up your account, and link everything ahead of time so you can navigate the ship like a pro from day one. Number 6, skipping motion sickness. Remedies. Coming in at number 6, forgetting to pack seasickness prevention. Even calm waters can surprise you, and once you feel sick, it's hard to recover. Bring ginger chews, wristbands, or over-the-counter meds like Dramamine and take them before you need them. Number 5, trying to do everything on the first day. Number 5, rushing around trying to hit every activity, show, and restaurant right after boarding. You'll end up exhausted and overwhelmed. Take it slow on embarkation day. Explore the ship and pace yourself. You have the whole week. Number 4, eating at the buffet during embarkation. At number 4, heading straight to the buffet on boarding day. It gets insanely crowded, the lines are long, and the food quality isn't the best. Instead, find a quieter restaurant or the poolside grill for a more relaxed first meal. Number 3, not researching your ports and excursions in advance. Number 3, waiting until you're on board to plan port days. Popular excursions sell out fast, and independent options can be cheaper and better. Research ahead, compare prices, and decide whether to book through the ship or on your own. Number 2, underestimating how expensive extras can get. Number 2, not budgeting for add-ons like drink packages, Wi-Fi, specialty dining, gratuities, and photos. These can add hundreds or even thousands to your bill. Check prices before you sail, decide what's worth it, and set a realistic onboard budget. Number 1, forgetting to check the prohibited items list. And the number 1 first cruise mistake that ruins trips, packing banned items without checking the rules. Things like power strips with surge protection, travel irons, drones, candles, or extra alcohol often get confiscated at security. Always review your specific cruise line's latest prohibited list before packing. It saves time, money, and embarrassment at the terminal. Oh, there you have it. The 10 first cruise mistakes that can turn your dream vacation into a stressful mess. The good news? Most of them are super easy to avoid with a little planning. Do your research, pack smart, arrive early, and use the ship's app, and you'll set yourself up for an amazing first sailing. If you're planning your first cruise, drop your cruise line or sailing date in the comments. I'd love to hear where you're headed and which mistake you're most worried about avoiding. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you feel more prepared, subscribe for more cruise tips and hacks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Safe travels, smooth seas, and I'll see you in the next video.